How to delete Google Photos permanently. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to delete Google Photos permanently. First, open the Google Photos app on your mobile device. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account. Next, browse through your photos and hold down on the images you want to delete. You can select multiple photos by tapping on them. Once you've selected the photos, tap on the delete icon. You will see a prompt asking for permission to move the photos to the trash. Tap on Allow to proceed. Now, go to the Library tab at the bottom of the screen. From there, tap on Trash to view the photos you've moved there. In the trash, select all the photos you want to delete permanently. After selecting, tap on the delete icon again. You will be prompted to confirm your action, so tap on Allow to finalize the deletion. Your photos will now be permanently deleted from Google Photos. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.